Here we have this 68 plate BMW X3 XDRIVE20D M Sport. Comes with the LED headlights. We've got the kidney front grills in black at the front. We've also got the black splitter at the bottom. Comes with the black sapphire exterior paintwork. We've got the 19-inch gloss black alloy wheels. We've also got the air suspension behind. Privacy glass at the rear for the passengers with the black trim around the outside with the colour-coded door handles and door mirrors. We've also got the black roof rails at the top with the black spoiler. Making our way around to the rear, you'll be able to see we've got the quad-tip exhaust integrated at the bottom with the parking sensors running across the middle of the bumper. This vehicle does also have a reversing camera with an in-car visual display. This vehicle comes free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So as we take a closer look at the interior, you'll be able to see that we've got the all black leather with the ISOFIX points and the armrest in the centre. We've also got the ambient lighting on the door with the electric windows. Onto the front, we've also got the all black leather as well. Both of these front seats are heated, and there is a look at those. We've got the electric windows with the electric side mirrors. We've also got the door lock here. Automatic lights, multifunctional steering wheel. We've also got the screen in the centre with the automatic gearbox with the armrest just there. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. For more information on this vehicle, you can head to the website or give our sales team a call. This car comes with a fresh MOT and a fresh service and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.